Here's another story for you this morning in the world of hip hop entertainment. According to Complex magazine, Dame Dash has been forced to turn over two movies to film maker after arrest warrant threat. He has until August 13th to share the rest of what's needed in the judgment. Tyrone Bowman Live. After handing over the links to two films, Dame Dash has until August 13 to hand over the rest of the key assets in his legal fight with filmmaker Josh Weber, as he continues to deal with the possibility of an arrest warrant. In a letter obtained by Complex that was filed on August 9, Weber's legal team at Brown and Rosen, LLC, informed the judge that while Dash has partially complied with the court's order to hand over film and music assets, several major items are still missing. So, what in the world has Damon Dash done that got him in all this hot water? How do you go from being a co owner of FUBU, For Us, By Us, to this? Dash has now provided links to two films, Honor Up and Too Honorable, which are being reviewed to verify that they match the versions being distributed by BET. Weber's attorney alleged that Dash has yet to transfer the copyright for the documentary Mr. Untouchable to the U.S. Marshal, referring to it as a, quote, clerical error, end quote, that Dash's lawyer ensured would be fixed by August 13. Weber's attorneys also alleged that Dash hasn't paid the U.S. copyright offer. They allege that Dash has not paid, rather, the U.S. Copyright Office for copies of deposit records, delaying the auction of his assets, and has failed to provide a full list of music-related property and bank account information for his Blue Rock records. His attorney wants the court to issue an order requiring Dash to provide a complete inventory of Blue Rock's assets, give them the company's banking details, and to give Mr. Untouchable to the U.S. Marshal by August 13. This update to Dash's case comes days after Weber and his team accused Dash of non-compliance and requested for him to be arrested. In a letter to the judge, they cited missing deadlines in Dash's social media post as evidence he didn't want to comply with the court's orders. One way or another, Weber is making sure to get the $800,000 defamation judgment that he won against Dash in 2022. All right, if the judgment was settled in 2022, come on, bruh. Why have you not handled your business and paid the judgment off? God darn, you know you're not going to win. If you have a judgment against you, handle your business. The court ordered Dash to surrender certain copyrights, films, and full ownership of Blue Rock Records to satisfy it. For $800,000 judgment, he could have just borrowed $800,000 from the bank against his corporation. Dash, however, continues to downplay the judgment and what he's been forced to part with to satisfy it. I don't have too much in my name, Dash explained to the Art of Dialogue in July. So, the things that are in my name are companies that I don't even know exist, don't make money, and are from years ago. And that's his story, and he's sticking to it. Never surrender, never quit.